Okay, so welcome again dito sa ating video. Today we're going to talk about the WordPress.com examples. This is again, guys, the free one that we're going to use. Okay, like I said sa previous video, dito ko nakita yung mga ibang clients ko. Kasi before I was applying for a lot of things talaga. Kasi, di ba, nasabi ko sa inyo, na-share ko sa inyo lahat sa mga first videos ko na I wasn't sure about my skills. So, I decided to, what if I'll create a portfolio out from WordPress.com and I tried to write, okay? So, hindi naman talaga ako into writings, but since, you know nga, the competition before is really parang high, so I really need to do something about like enhancing my skills as well. So I tried out writing some stuffs and blogs or whatever you call it. I didn't know if maging patok ba siya. So I just started writing, but eventually I landed clients. Parang hindi naman ganun karami, pero medyo may mga clients din na nag-hire sa akin kasi ginagamit ko siya for my portfolio. Kasi for example, the client will ask me na do you have a portfolio, instead of sending them na yung basic portfolio ko na sa mga resume and stuff. So I sent out parang mga WordPress.com na mga example, and parang effort na hindi ako matanggap, I always make sure na parang sabihin ko sa client na, you know what, I do love writing kahit na hindi. And I've made some blogs or written articles or what you call it, or blogs that maybe you can, if you have some time, please check it out. And eventually I think 2-3 clients nag-hire talaga sa akin because of this na mga websites na WordPress.com na ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, are you ready? Okay, so ito yun sila, guys. Okay? The first thing or blog na I'm gonna be showing you guys is ito. Ano ba yan? Daily Rich Inspirations. Okay? So, since mahilig ako sa mga, you know, inspirations, so this is an example of WordPress.com na ginawa ko. Okay, this is really important. Nakita niyo yan, WordPress.com. That means, if you're going to use the free one, yung WordPress.com, ito yung mangyari. Instead na dailyrichinspirations.com siya nakalagay, may nakalagay dyan ng WordPress. So, this is one way of knowing kung free or paid ba yung ginamit mo. Kasi pag paid yan, ito dapat yung website mo, dailyrichinspirations.com. Right? Pero walang nakapangalan yan. For example, facebook.com. Diba? Since yung Facebook is hindi sila naka-free, diba? So, if ever ganyan, so lagyan nila ng wordpress.com. So, since free sila, they can convert it to like this one. Okay? So, hindi na kailangan malagyan ng wordpress.com. This is just for example, okay? So, pag free siya, ito mangyari, facebook.com.wordpress.com. Okay? So, I hope you're getting this. Okay? So, this is an example, guys, of a WordPress na free, and ito yung mga article yan. So, yun ang ginawa ko, guys. Pero, hindi talaga yan kinapi-paste ko. I really wrote this. So, ito sa mga example. For example, a client will ask me, do you have a portfolio of your how well you write your blog or your write-ups? I'm just going to copy this, and then boom, I'll send it to a link or Skype, and then your client can see this as well. So, ganun katindi. Okay, this is number 1 about inspirations. And the next, kasi I think I have 3. Next one is explore your niche.wordpress.com. So, ito yung something inspirational na mga topics. This one is more on business and marketing. So, yeah, ako din gumawa nito. Basic lang, I have maybe around 3 blogs. Or, let me kasi nakalagay dyan, 3 ways to know your niche. Ganun. So, di ba, parang okay siya tingnan. Parang website din siya, pero may nakalagay ng wordpress.com. So, malaman ng client na you're not using the paid plan. Okay? The next thing is yung na-share ko rin sa inyo, guys, na nag-a-apply din ako mga parang isang photo editor, tsaka yung manipulator. So, ito yung next is Jake Ayano Photographs WordPress.com. So, ito yung mga, ewan ko ba't nagawa ko to. September 14, 2015. Ito lang yung mga nakita ko. And ito yung mga first shots namin kasi nag-silent din ako ng isang photographer dati eh. So, ito yung mga editing skills ko na medyo, ewan ko, ano pang matawag dito. So, yan. So, this is, I think, the goal here is to let the client know that I am capable of editing pictures too. So, ito yung, portfolio ko, okay? So, depende kasi, if mag-apply ako ng parang blog na about inspirations or about inspirational talks or whatever, ito yung isa-send ko na portfolio, parang proof na I can write. The next thing is, if going to apply for a business type of project, I'm going to send this. Okay? If a client is more into photography, so I'm going to send this one. So, yun. So, may client ako dito sa Upwork kasi nakita niya dito na I am capable of editing this type of pictures. Ito. So, na-hire niya ako. This one, actually, to be honest, hindi pa ako na-hire using this. And this one, may nag-hire sa akin taga Israel. So, yun. That's how important it is to have a WordPress.com if wala ka pang budget or if wala ka pa talagang a budget dun sa to have your own website. Kasi nga, later, I'll be discussing kung magkano ba talaga yung WordPress na yung isa, yung hindi free, yung WordPress.org. Doon tayo mag-register Okay? So, ito yung WordPress.com. And, meron pa akong website? Okay, may isa pa talaga ako related to business.wordpress.com. Sa akin din to, guys. Okay, so, written by Jake. Sa akin din yan, 2016. Ayan, 2015 pang ito. So, this is more of a parang business type din or social media. So, yan ang mga portfolio ko. Usually, isa-send ko dun sa client ko. If the client will ask me, hey Jake, do you know how to write stuff? Something like that. So, yes, I'm capable of doing it, sir. So, I'm gonna be sending you out the link. The link. So, ito yun, guys. So, one way of knowing again, this is not a paid plan because this is a free one. Okay, so that's the example of the WordPress.com. So, the next video, I'm going to be talking about ano ba yung mga example ng mga WordPress.org. Alright, so see you sa next video.